this scam was created by the then government, Congress government then in 2006. And we today, Honorable Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has resolved this matter, is trying to resolve this matter. आमी हो विषय सोडोवपाक आमी फुडें सोडलेले आसा आनी त्या बाबतींत आमी ते लँड आमकां परत मेळपाची ऑलरेडी जाल्लें आसा. He is talking that the interest part of the tax pays 133 crores. Actually, he should get his facts right. It is not 133 crores. It is 123 crores and it is not taxpayers' money. आता आमी 123 crores was taken from all the 7 companies at that point of time. And thereafter we put his money in the fixed deposit. And the interest that we accrued from there, the interest, that is the interest when the Supreme Court, when the Honorable Supreme Court made a mention that they demanded, the 7 parties demanded 15%. So we said no, whatever interest we accrued from that 120 crores, we will, from the 133 crores given to us, we will pay the interest. So based on that, the Supreme Court had disposed of the matter. Secondly, from 2011, when the matter came up, till date, till 2018, the matter never came up for hearing. Again, after the intervention of Honorable Chief Minister and the government of the day, the matter was heard and brought up. And today, we are having the land, total area of the land was 38 lakh square meters. It was 38 lakh square meters. So you can imagine, all this land was given for just throwaway price at that point of time. What a great loss it was to Goa and to the Goans at large. But today, we have made an effort, Honorable Chief Minister made an effort, Manohar Parrikar ji, and has brought the land back in our custody.